Grandpa, can you pull my tooth out so that I can get big bucks from the tooth fairy?
Sweetie, you cannot just pull a tooth out because you want the tooth fairy money.
But, look, it is already a little loose.
Yes, sweetie, but your tooth has got to come out on its own.
But it is only a baby tooth, Grandpa. I can grow another tooth after that one comes out.
So, what if I punched you hard in the mouth and your two big front teeth fell out? Those are your adult teeth and you can't grow more after that.
Grandpa, if I knock my teeth out by myself, will the tooth fairy give me money for my big teeth?
I am not sure about that.
Grandpa, if you're not sure, why don't you phone Grandma and ask her? Grandma is also losing her teeth.